Hey everyone, it's me, Cooking with Anto. So this is a pretty easy recipe. Right now you're starting off with creating just a small portion of your dough. The directions will be written below the video. Just click the down arrow and you'll see it. Then you're going to add in your flour. You're going to mix it up with your oil. You're going to let it sit for 5 minutes. But make sure you mix it to a consistency that looks like, I don't know, a pancake batter maybe. And you're going to let it sit for 5 minutes. Then what you're going to do is you're going to put more flour, and then you're going to put in some salt, and then you're going to mix it and let it sit for another 5 minutes. Then you're going to put in the rest of your flour, and as you see, as I'm doing now, you're creating like a dough. And you just keep mixing it gently. Don't be rough with it because you don't want it to be tough or chewy. And you just keep mixing it, and then you leave it in your bowl for about an hour to rise, anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour. If you see it double in size, then it's ready. You cover it with some plastic wrap. Keep it somewhere warm, okay? And then as that's rising, you want to start cutting your pears and preparing your onions, okay? And you just slice your onions like you would any other time. You put them in a saute pan with some butter and cheat a little bit with some brown sugar to get them caramelized quicker. Some salt and pepper as well. So they'll start off looking like this. And then I would say this process, honestly, is about 15 minutes before they end up looking delicious like this. It's very important for them to be caramelized because that's what gives it that sweet, strong flavor. And then what you're going to do is you're going to spread your focaccia bread out into a 9x13 baking dish. Not too high, so I would say like a cookie pan. Poke some holes in it, put some olive oil on it. Then you're going to put your toppings on it, the onions, the pears, and the blue cheese. The possibilities here are endless. You can create anything on a focaccia bread. It's really simple. Just look at the down arrow. You have all the directions you need for this video and all of the amounts and ingredients. And I'll show you what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. So this is what it looks like after it's baked. Again, all the directions are on the bottom of the video. Look below the video. Click that down arrow. You'll get the ingredients and a full description on how to create this delicious appetizer. Slice them down like breadsticks and serve them to your guests. Absolutely delicious. Possibilities are endless. Thanks for watching. Bye.